With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, here the question is the variation of momentum with a time of one of the body in a two-body collision is shown. At what point the instantaneous force is maximum? So we know that when two bodies collide with each other, there is change in momentum with of these two bodies. So for one of the bodies, we have taken the values of momentum with respect to time and drawn a graph for that particular body for change in momentum with respect to time. So now from this graph, we have to determine that at which point at P, Q, R, S out of these 4 points, at which point the force, instantaneous force is maximum. So for this, we must know the relation between force and momentum. So according to Newton's second law of motion, we have given us a relation between force and momentum. So this relation is force is equal to rate of change of momentum with respect to time. Means rate of change of momentum or change of momentum with respect to time is equal to the force. Now, if we see here the graph, x-axis is having time, y-axis is having momentum values, and if we check this, dp by dt will be equal to slope of this graph. Means we can check the slope of the graph at each point PQRS, and where the slope is maximum, their force is also maximum because this force is now equal to slope of this given graph. And we can say the slope is nothing but tan of theta. Slope is equal to tan of theta. And this theta is the angle between x and y axis, where we can have x axis like this from this S point, and y axis for angle theta we have to draw a tangent to this point like this. So the angle here is theta, and tan of this theta is slope of this graph. For R point here, the tangent and angle will be like this, and for point Q here the slope is like this, and for the point P slope is like this. So we can see here, out of these 4 points, theta is maximum theta is maximum at point R. So we can say that slope is maximum at point R and force will be maximum at which point? At the same point R. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.